Northern Neck Electric Cooperative in Warsaw, Virginia, has been on a mission to improve the quality of life in their communities. So they joined All Points Broadband's initiative to bring high-speed internet to rural and small communities in Virginia and Kentucky. To achieve this mutual goal, the cooperative started a fiber-to-the-home program for their members and called in Davey Resource Group to help design and install the fiber connections. The first step in the process was a comprehensive pole data collection project, which was necessary to map out the fiber route and submit a joint use application on behalf of All Points. Once the application was accepted, Davey assisted the cooperative with make-ready engineering services to design poles that could accommodate the fiber attachments, handing off plans to a subcontractor for construction. Once construction was complete, Davey performed a post-construction inspection to ensure the attachment was installed following federal regulations. Thanks to this multi-company alliance, rural communities in Virginia and Kentucky will have access to high-speed internet between households, schools, healthcare centers, and businesses. Let us show you the power of Davey Utility Solutions.